Good evening, everyone. I'm weather forecaster Kara Prophet coming to you from Parkersburg, West Virginia on this snowy, very cold January evening. As you can see, there's some traffic on the road. It's much less than what we would be normally seeing at this time. It's about 7 p.m. and and some flakes are hitting the camera lens, so it's going to be some interesting colors there. I'm using a regular, cell phone to record this. Unfortunately, I don't have professional equipment with me at the time. But anyway, the report here is, we are seeing substantial snowfall, but it keeps coming down, but it's this thin stuff that's, if you look at my jacket, you can see what's on it. It's really cold out here. It's getting colder. It's going to be about 15 tonight. We're under a winter storm warning until 8 a.m. in the morning. However, just because it's 8 a.m. in the morning and the winter storm warning is over and we might see another 1 to 3 inches tonight, it does not mean that we're out of the woods, because it's not going to get that warm tomorrow. It's not going to get above freezing. The sun will come out, but it's just a matter of, finding that time, and if you have to be out, find the safest time and place where you can do that. Go and, take a 4-wheel drive, or, the safest way possible. If you don't have to be out, I really recommend staying in. Definitely tonight. Tonight I would only be out if it's absolutely necessary. Tomorrow, just wait and see what the conditions are. I do think the sun coming out will produce great results, even though it's going to be cold. Just be patient with it and wait. There's, I don't know how many almost accidents that I saw, as I was driving out here earlier, and, just about a 10-minute drive from where I live to downtown, and it was scary. I slid at one point. I completely lost control, and the reason for that is, this happened so quick, and there was like a moment of almost like rain, then there started being like these snowflakes, so then everything just froze. So we've got very cold temperatures. We've got snow continuing to fall. We've got a layer of ice under that. And of course, that's making things very slick and making my camera lens do very interesting things. Some of these, there were not effects. Right now, you're seeing some pretty decent wind blowing the snow. And of course, that's going to create a wind chill. Now, I'm going to have to go in just a minute, because I don't have the protective clothing as far as covering my hands properly and all that stuff to stay warm. And of course, in temperatures like this, we think of the extreme, like negative something causing us to get in trouble from very cold temperatures. It does not have to be like negative 20 or something like that. It can happen at 15 or 20. It's just a matter of where the situation, and how many layers and how you're taking care of yourself. So be careful if you're out. Please try to stay home and just let this system pass, and hopefully most of you are out being able to just enjoy the snow and having a great evening. So, Kara Prophet in Parkersburg, West Virginia.